coach of Wealthy app. This is MSU Chakravarti, age 68 years, who retired from Prime Minister Security, New Delhi, and settled at Hyderabad. I have been suffering with diabetes since the last 25 years, and presently I am taking treatment from Nizam Institute of Medical Sciences, Hyderabad, under the guidance of diabetologist Kanchana. Recently, before 10 months back, my HbA1c came to 9.7, and Dr. Kanchana prescribed Lantus insulin and Linagliptin 500 mg tablets daily. Then even then, my blood sugar levels did not come down. Then Ms. Susila, a dietitian in NIMS, after seeing my results, she advised and introduced to Wealthy app. This has happened last 10 months back. Then from that day onwards, I used to take guidance, advices from health coach Stacey Fernandez. And she changed my lifestyle and healthy habits a lot. I could not forget that. Earlier I was having a different lifestyle and healthy habits, but now my total lifestyle is different. And she was telling me which foods should be taken and not to take, and how to control your blood sugar spikes, and how to monitor your blood sugar levels every day, and how to log your readings every day. And in addition, what is the meal you take, and what is your blood pressure, and how much water you take, and how much activity you do per day. So all these parameters I used to log in the Wealthy app every day, and Carrie used to monitor, and in turn Stacey Fernandez used to guide me how to further develop to control your blood sugar and keep yourself fit as far as your health is concerned. I was following it, and a lot of change in me after following the guidelines and her advices every week. Every week classes I used to get a lot of information from Stacey Fernandez. I could not forget. Then I used to get a lot of information for her, and I used to follow also. And then I found a lot of lifestyle change in my previous years and the present years. So earlier I was not monitoring my blood sugar, but currently I used to monitor every day. Every day I used to log without any lapse. What a dedication, my commitment and my labor helped me to bring down my sugar levels a lot. My sugar level was 9.7 when the Healthy app was not recommended earlier. Then after that, it was 9.7 when I was in NIMS hospital last 2019 October. Then after that, after consulting with Wealthy app, my sugar level came down to 9.7 to 9.3. Then from 9.3 to 8.7. Then 8.7 to 8.3. And then 8.3 to 7.3. You see the drastic change after getting involved with the Wealthy app. Then from 7.3 to now it is 6.9. See the result, the amazing result. I never expected in my life. It's not possible simply without Wealthy app. So I want to lower it down. Still my dedication, my commitment, I am sacrificing a lot. But I am addicted to this kind of life now. I am not feeling this is I am sacrificing something else. Now, earlier I used to take sugar coffee and sugar tea. Now without sugar and coffee, that's addicted. The only thing is tongue, that is the taste. So whatever food you take, that is. And she also told me to take macronutrients like low carbs, proteins, fats, and then your fiber, nuts, seeds. The micronutrients like vitamins and minerals. So this is a balanced plate. I have to take it in a balanced level. Then I definitely some result will become out of that. I really proved it. It's a great achievement. Except that a Wealthy app, I could not have got this kind of results. I'm grateful to Wealthy app. Hats off to Wealthy app. And hats off to all the advisors of the Wealthy app. Hats off to head coach Wealthy app. And health coach Wealthy app. Whatever it may be, I have gained a lot. I can advise, I can refer few persons to treat for various diseases, whatever they have from the Wealthy app. And finally, I like to tell about some improvements also, that out of our experiences, we segregate and find out some good solutions to improve this app further. So what I feel is, medicines will never work to control your disease. It may be diabetes, it may be weight loss, it may be some other diseases. But first thing is diet. Second thing is good lifestyle and good health, good healthy food. Third, only medicines. Medicines alone can't work to lower your disease. This is the first thing, and this is healthy lifestyle and healthy habits and healthy food. This information you will only get from Wealthy app and from nothing else. Once you segregate, once you collect all the kind of information, and finally you take medicine, there will be some result. Another thing is also exercise is a must. Apart from the good lifestyle and good health, good exercise and last medicines. This is the final thing I want to tell. And this is the more recently modification of Wealthy app. I found some difficulty initially. Now it is okay. But there may be some, I advise some changes should be there. So I don't forget Wealthy app. And even though I quit, but I don't even forget. I always remember Wealthy app. Even I can recommend to some people. And thank you, all of you. And thanks to Wealthy app. Thanks again to everybody. Thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to speak on this, my experiences, which I am sharing with Wealthy app and sharing with you all. Thank you very much. Thank you.